LG washer full of water? Don't worry, in this video I'm going to show you what happened with your appliance and what you should do. Hello homeowners, my name is Gary. Here in Calgary, Alberta, I run my appliance repair business, Tactile Appliance Repair. We repair all kinds of home appliances and I share all of this experience on this YouTube channel. I'm also sharing my ideas on how to look after your appliances so you can avoid breaks and save your money. If you subscribe to my channel, it will help us to produce more and more videos like that. Okay, let's take a look on your LG washer. It looks like your LG washer is full of water and now you need to decide what to do. Most likely you see the error code OE and you already know that the issue is with the drain system of the washing machine. Let's start with a couple of simple checkups that you can do by yourself. First, let's take a look at the filter of your LG washer. The cover of your filter is located on the bottom of the front panel.
Open up the filter portion. You have a extended drain hose. I've already emptied it out and ahead. Usually you'll get about 4 or 5 of whatever I'm filling up here before it's done releasing. And after it's done, you can open up and check the filter portion. And we'll do that in just a minute.
Once you pull up the filter and checked up that it's fine, make sure that the impeller of the drain pump is rotating freely. To do so, you can put your finger inside and try to rotate it. If it's too far, use a screwdriver. Don't damage that, just slightly rotate it.
It up, and then you can feel left and right for any kind of movement of the motor. You can also check to see if the inside is stuck.
When you're rotating your impeller of the drain pump, you can feel the resistance of the impeller, and that's how it's supposed to be. If you have found that something was stuck in the drain pump area, please let me know in the comments what exactly you found. I usually can see lots of things stuck in the drain pump, such as small pieces of your clothes, socks, underwear. Hairpins is very common thing to be found in the drain pump area as well. Sometimes even like drill bits and rocks. If you check up the filter and the drain pump, but it's still not doing the job, you probably need a technician to come up and disassemble your washer, and more likely the drain pump is broken.
So in this model, we have both a drain and a recirculating pump. On the left-hand side here, you'll have a drain pump. On the right-hand side, you'll have a recirculation pump. And we're going to be changing out both today.
So you have two options. One, you can take your washer apart, verify that the drain pump is indeed broken, buy a new one and put it in. If you're a handy homeowner, you can watch the do-it-yourself video that I will put in the description below. If you're not comfortable doing that by yourself, then call your appliance repair company.
One way to tell if the motor's damaged is you do an ohm check through the 2 leads, hot and neutral, or you do a resistance check on the motor. So the leads, the electrical burnt out, the mechanical is still good on this one.
Here in Calgary, replacing the LG washer drain pump would cost you somewhere in between $260 and up to 400 Canadian dollars.
So here would be your LG drain pump, and here would be your LG recirculation pump. Here's your new drain pump. Really good resistance on the... That's a good sign.
It may be different in the city where you live in, but it gives you a rough idea on how much it may cost you. That's it for today.
I just want to make sure that it's in front of the gasket, not behind it. So you should be able to see, feel the metal in the gap. Good to go.
Smash the like and see you in the next video.
This is a sign that we're already fixed. Right now, it's draining right before the spin cycle begins. And if you found water in it, it would have been before this.